Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to fix Oneplus mobile hotspot not working issue. So before starting the video, don't forget to subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon. So first of all, open control center and here turn on the airplane mode and turn it back off. And after turning off airplane mode, the hotspot will start working properly. But if it doesn't fix your problem, then open settings. Now in settings, scroll down and click on connection and sharing. Now here click on personal hotspot, and after that click on hotspot settings. Now in hotspot settings, click on AP band and here choose 2.4 gigahertz. If you have chosen 5 gigahertz, then choose 2.4 gigahertz. And if you have turned on these two buttons, hide hotspot and use Wi-Fi 6, then turn off these buttons. Now after turning off these buttons, click on this tick icon to save changes, and after that go back to your home screen. So I hope it will fix your problem. But if you are still facing the problem with your hotspot, then the last solution is restart your mobile. So to restart, press and hold the power button and volume up button at the same time. Now swipe up and release the button to restart, and after restarting your problem will be fixed. I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.